Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated. My name is Andy and I am here in my garage like Tai Lopez, except without fancy cars, just a big mess and lots of tools. In this video I want to show you how to fix this doll. You see? Right there. So those of you who have watched me before, you might be wondering, Andy, what's with the accent? Well, I decided to try something different for this video. I decided to try to speak in a Russian accent because I come from a Slavic background. I have an excuse to talk like this because, well, you know, I can. Anyways, as many of you might know, or many of you don't know, I have 3 kids. So it was my youngest daughter's birthday. She was turning 2 years old, and my oldest, who is 7, she asked me to take her to the store so we can buy her sister a present. So I said, that's a good idea, why not? Let's go find a good present. So we go to Walmart and she picks out a box of these dolls for like $20. I think there was like 6, maybe 8 of them. It doesn't matter. So by the time we came home, the baby fell asleep and my daughter asked if she could play with the dolls. I said, yeah, sure, go ahead. So my daughter proceeded to open the box, and before you know it, she comes to me asking me if I can fix this. So as I typically am a very handy man, and I come from a construction background, plus my engineering degree helps me out a lot, I pretty much can try to fix anything I think I can fix. So in this case, I was gonna throw it away, but I figured, you know, it's probably like $3 or whatever, you know, 20 divided by 6, whatever that comes out to be. I decided, hey, why not fix it? Since she thinks I can fix it, I will try to fix it. So my initial thought process was, as you can see how it's broken, there's like a little piece that fell in there. So I thought, well, you could potentially glue this and put it like this, but because there's no surface here, because there's not a lot of surface, the glue will be very brittle and my daughter will break it first time hitting the head on the wall. And I decided, no, that's a bad idea. So I'm gonna try something different. So I have these wood screws laying around and I figured, you know, this girl has a pretty cool ponytail or whatever you call it, I don't know. Girls who will be watching this, leave in the comment below what is this style called. But anyways, it looks like flower, and I figured, you know, I put the screw right in the middle of the head and through the neck, and the body will work, and it probably twist head. So I figured it was a great idea, and let's try it. So without further ado, or whatever do, let's go and try it. So for this project, I'm gonna need a drill, my patient, a drill bit that makes holes, a Torx bit for this type of screw, like this, and that's it. So the idea here is I'm gonna drill a hole through her head first, and then put this like this and into it. So let's begin. So put this in here carefully. Let's see, should we go from the top or from the... Let's try from the top. Oh, nope. Nope, that's a bad idea. Let's try that. Well, this is not working. Let me put it in a vise and see what happens. Ah, I'm ruining her hair. Not a good idea. Let's try this way. Maybe this is not gonna work, but we still have to try. Let's bring her head back up. Squish it. Yes! Oof. Okay. So looks like we're gonna mess up her hair a little bit, but let's see if we can fix it. So I'm gonna clamp this baby, the body, and let's see if I can get the screw in there somehow. If I can find the hole. I know it's in there somewhere. Oh, I'm really ruining her hair. So not very good idea. like I thought. I kind of had the suspicion that hair is gonna give me trouble, but where is my hole that I made is a better question. Oh, yes, right there. Right there is my hole. Okay, let's try to put that in. Oh, look at that. Yes, we got it. Okay, so knot is all lost. And now we're gonna try to screw that in. Let's see if that works. Oh, look, her neck is cracking. Before I break it, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna try to drill a hole first. Maybe that will help. Yeah, this might be the best way to do this, but you know, at least I'm trying, okay? Okay, now take her out and let's try to fix her. So the hair is a little messy, but as you can see, the screw is over there somewhere. You can't even see it. I might just have my daughter pull the hair off and just brush it, but as far as the head goes, I mean, I would say this is a job well done, you know? Oh, no. I guess this could be kind of like a cool type of neck feature, but okay, let's see what we can do. Hold on a second. Pull this out. Well, let's try this again, except this time we're gonna use a washer. So I have some washers here, some random sizes. I saw a little one. This is, let's see here, what do we have? Let's see if we have anything smaller. Oh, perfect, like this. So now we're gonna put washer like this. That way we have more surface area, and try to stick it in the hole again. There we go. Okay, maybe the hair needs to come out. And then let's try to drill that back in. Okay, so now you can still see the screw, and we ruined the hair, but that's okay. At least it works, the head turns, and I think my daughter is gonna be happy. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you when she wakes up. I'm gonna show it to her and record her reaction, and we'll see what she says.
You fixed it?
Yeah.
How? Oh.
See, I put a little screw right there. But the hair will cover it.
There's a crack. What if Sarah pulls on it?
Well, if she breaks it, she breaks it.
Should I show Sarah?
Sure. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think of my accent, if I need to work better on it, if I should completely stop it. Leave a comment below about that, and that way I know what to do, if I should do next one with accent, without accent. I think I might play around with it a couple more videos, see how that goes. But yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, if you think it is entertaining, I would love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you guys next time.